Actually, I'm eating cherries right now. Welcome back, people. I'm eating cherries, and today we are robbing the First World Bank.
Are you guys ready to see this awesomeness? Let's go. Alright, guys.
You know, these are some really good cherries.
Oh. I know. I had some. I just came over and had some.
Oh, okay. Alright, come over here, Nima.
Hi, Matt. Shanked, homie.
I should probably change my FOV. That's a lot better.
Found him.
Found him? Move!
Stay there, homie.
Where's the server room?
Ugly. See this, Matt? You see this? Ugly.
No! This is a work of art. Oh my
You
god.
see this?
Leave me alone, dude.
Ugly.
Leave me alone.
How dare you speak to your father like that? I got the drill, man.
I got the thermite, man. Oh, I hear the cops. They're here. Come on.
Hey, man, relax. Oh, hell yeah. One shot kill. Oh, my God. Die. Yeah, Matt, you took so long to find this thing.
I took so long to finish my cherries.
Got him. Whole damn minute and a half.
Leave
Too
me
lazy.
alone.
Shiz, man. Oh, God. There's no
I'm
way out.
coming. Ugh. Oh god. Get off.
Yeah, die.
Get out of my room. I'm playing Minecraft.
I know.
Help.
Wolf, I'm sorry, but I can't make it, man.
Please. I'm sick of you not.
On my way, on my way. Ah!
Talking away. I don't know what I'm to say. I'll say. Why is the computer like this?
Oh, God. Ah! 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, you have wolf head?
Yeah.
Vanilla!
I'm sorry, I got you used to playing with it. 30 seconds
Help!
left.
Please!
On my way.
You like this?
Yes,
Fireworks.
Dude, I love. Wee.
Come back here! What are you doing over there?
I'm setting trip mines.
Jesus, we don't talk enough.
Oh, God. These guys are bullying me, Matt. Oh. Ah.
Oh my god. This painting was just ruined.
I literally have no health.
I'm coming here.
Before I'm downed again.
I'm coming here.
Hold on.
I've made a little campfire out of thermite. And I have nice little kid meals. Come in here. Come on, man.
Oh, dope. Oh, God, please.
Come on. There are meals in here that will make you feel better. 5 meals. Right.
Yummy.
I know
Thank
they're
you.
yummy.
Mwah.
See, this is our little campfire. No! What are you doing?
I'm cold. I'm cold.
Oh! Why did you throw me in the fire?
Because we need a sacrifice.
Religion? Oh, yeah.
Oh God! What the hell?
Nima, sacrifice yourself.
No! 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 No!
Sacrifice yourself, Nima. I'm not waiting for you.
No, God, please, no, please.
Sacrifice yourself, Nima.
No.
Sacrifice yourself. Sacrifice
Are
yourself,
you?
or I will sacrifice you.
You won't, wuss. You don't have the balls.
Ew. Of course I don't. Because I'm a girl. I'm sorry, Nima.
Please, Matt, no. No, Matt, you're leaving without me.
Nima, here's my welcoming gift to you. A bullet.
No. I'm gonna shank you to death.
No. No! What is that?
You're paralyzed.
What is this?
What?
Do you not see that?
No.
There is a plant. There is a plant right there.
I do not see that.
There are leaves. Where did this come from? Oh, they're here! Leave! Please, I'm
No,
half
we
dead.
need the cash, homie. Nah, homie, we need the cash.
Why is the plant here? Why is the plant here? Get out.
Yeah, homie, we did it, dog.
The plant started rolling.
Even though we're paralyzed, I don't care.
Yeah, I got a safe.
Yay! Community safe 7.
Hey there. If you enjoyed this video, the only way you can show that you liked it is just please do not like or subscribe. Don't do any of that. Just don't. Please. We don't want publicity at all. We just want to stay small. And please don't leave a comment. We don't care about your opinions. That's it. Bye.